Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, InstaMojo and MailChimp. So the use case here is that whenever a new sale happens in InstaMojo, automatically add subscriber in MailChimp. Let us know what these two software applications are all about. So InstaMojo is a payment gateway and it is also a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas MailChimp is an email marketing software. The issue here is that InstaMojo and MailChimp don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which helps us to transfer data from InstaMojo to MailChimp. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I am going to name it as InstaMojo Integrations. Okay, now I'll create it. Okay, so now in Choose App, I am going to choose InstaMojo first. Okay. So now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new sale happens is our trigger event over here. So I'm going to click on it. If you want any other trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? So let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, new sale created in InstaMojo will be our trigger event over here. Now when you choose a trigger event, after that you can see this term called webhook URL displayed over here. So what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is InstaMojo in our case. So here you can read the instructions carefully and you can follow them. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and now I'll go to my InstaMojo account. So I've already opened my InstaMojo account over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'll first go to the product section over here. Okay, I'll go to all products. Okay, so here you can see t-shirt. So I'm going to buy a t-shirt over here. So I'll just go to this actions over here and I'm going to edit it. Okay, so here you can see the title is here. If you want, you can write a short description. The picture is already here and the price is also here. Okay, so now when you come down, here you can see webhook URL. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. So I'll just paste it over here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll just come down and I'm going to save the product. Okay, so we have successfully updated this product and the webhook is also set. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here I am going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now as soon as a new sale happens in InstaMojo, Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now it's time to go to InstaMojo and make a new sale. So I'll go to InstaMojo and I'm going to click on this t-shirt over here. So this is the page of our t-shirt over here and I'm going to add it to cart. Okay, now I'll open my cart. So my quantity is showing here 2, I'll make it 1. Okay, now I'm going to check out. Okay, I'll continue as a guest and let me change the details over here. So first name is going to be Austin, last name James, email is austinjames@gmail.com, mobile number 810-9349-123. Okay, address okay, city is Bhopal. Okay, I'll just change the state, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, code is there. Okay, so now I'm just going to continue this. Okay, so make payment. Okay, so you can see here we have a QR code available. If you want, you can also do a QR code payment, and you can see we have all other options as well. And if you click on more payment options, you can see they have various other options available. You can choose whichever you want here. So I'm going to do the payment through my mobile phone. Okay, so you can see order is confirmed. I have successfully done the payment. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the data. Amount is 9 rupees. Buyer name is Austin James. Buyer email is here. The number is here. Currency is here. Payment ID is also here. And if you go here, long URL, you can even see the product URL. Okay, so I'll save it. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration of InstaMojo and Pabbly Connect here. Now we'll begin with our second step integration, where we are going to integrate MailChimp and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so now in choose app, I am going to choose MailChimp. Now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new sale happens in InstaMojo, we want to add new subscriber in MailChimp. So new subscriber is actually new member. So I'm going to click on add new member because this is our action event. So when you see on action event, you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want to. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on connect with MailChimp. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. So here, if you have any existing credential like this, you can just click on it and go forward. But here I am going to click on new credentials and I'm going to tell you how to get your API key and this data center. So in order to get your API key, you have to go to your MailChimp account. So I'll go to my MailChimp account. So this is my MailChimp account over here. I'm going to go to my account over here. And here you can see extras. So I'm going to click on extras and here you can see API keys. Okay, so when you come down here, you can see the API keys displayed over here. So I'll just copy it and I'm going to go to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. If you want, you can also generate a new key by clicking on this create a key button. And if you come back to Pabbly Connect, you can see it is asking us for the data center. So data center is actually something which appears as a subdomain in your MailChimp account URL. So if I go to my MailChimp account, here you can see the URL is displayed over here. So you can see US2 is the data center that I need for Pabbly Connect. So I'll just paste it here. So now this API key and data center are going to help us to build a connection between MailChimp and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now choose audience list. Now you might already have created some list in your MailChimp account, and if you haven't, you can also create it. If I go back to my MailChimp account, I'll go to audience and in manage audience, I'll go to view audiences. So here you can see I have a list called Pabbly. Now because my account is not upgraded, that is why I can't create new audience list. But if your account is upgraded, you can easily create it and you can give any name. And then when you come in Pabbly Connect, you can easily select that option. Here I only have Pabbly, so I'll let it be first name. So now here you require the first name and last name in separate columns. Whereas if you see our data, our first name and last name is together in one field. So what you can do is you can just split this name into two by using an action step over here. So I'm going to use an action step over here to split this text. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I'm going to choose text formatter, this one. And in action event, we want to split the text. That is, we want to split the name, first name and last name in separate. That is why I am going to choose split text over here. Connect with text formatter. Now here, what text you want to split? We want to split the name. That is why I am going to put the name over here. Separator. So here you have to use this separator. So I am going to copy this and I'll put it over here. So now this character is going to help us to separate or split this name. Segment index. So here I am going to choose all. Save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our name over here separately. First name is here, last name is over here. So we have successfully finished this thing over here. So I'm going to save it. Okay. Now in first name, we have to map the API to result that is here. So first name is Austin. Now last name, I'll just come down and here it is, James. Okay, email address, here is austinjames@gmail.com. Select the status of the subscriber. So I'll let it be subscribed. If you want, you can choose any option according to your choice. Now tags. If you go back to MailChimp and here you can see tags. So you can see I have these 3 tags created over here. If you want, you can also create a new tag. So I'm going to create a new tag here. InstaMojo sale. Create it. Okay, so I have created this tag over here. I'll just copy it and I'm going to put it in Pabbly Connect. So here, remember, you have to put the tag with double quotes. That is why I am going to enter the double quotes. And if you want to put more than one tag, then you have to use comma. So I'll let it be only one tag over here. And now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response over here. I'm just going to save it. Okay, that means we have successfully finished our integration of InstaMojo and MailChimp over here. Now let's go to MailChimp and see if a new subscriber called Austin James has been added there or not. So I'll go to MailChimp.
Not just these
I'll
two
go to
software
all contacts.
applications, but you can integrate any software
Okay, so you can see
application using Pabbly Connect.
austinjames@gmail.com has
any
been added.
queries,
First
you
name
can
and last
contact
name is
us
Austin
at
James.
admin@pabbly.com
And tag is also
and
here,
our team will
InstaMojo
help you.
sale.
For
And the
more,
status
you can
is
also
subscribe.
visit our website
So we have
at
successfully finished our integration here.
www.pabbly.com.
Now whenever a sale
Thank you.
happens in InstaMojo, a subscriber will be created in MailChimp automatically. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to InstaMojo and I'm again going to click on this t-shirt. Okay, now I'm going to add it to cart. I'll go to cart, checkout, continue. Now I'm going to enter a different name this time. Robert, last name is Stanley, email robertstanley@gmail.com, mobile number '. Okay, address, city, here I'll choose Madhya Pradesh, pin code. Okay, continue. Okay, so now I'm going to make payment. So you can see we have payment option over here. So I'm again going to do the payment through my phone. Okay, so you can see the order is confirmed and the payment is also successful. So now let's go to MailChimp and see if a new subscriber is added there or not. So I'll go to MailChimp. I'll just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see robertstanley@gmail.com has been added over here. The first name is Robert, last name is Stanley. And in tags, you can see InstaMojo sale and the status is subscribe. So our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so now in our example, what has happened is first the information came from InstaMojo to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to MailChimp. So now every time a new sale happens in InstaMojo, a new member or a subscriber will be added in MailChimp automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of InstaMojo and MailChimp using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.